Threads can be used to correct wrinkles, improve skin texture, and skin quality. They're made from the same dissolvable material used in surgeries. Threads are inserted by needle into different layers of the dermis that cause micro-injuries and remain implanted in the skin to promote collagen synthesis. Polyallolactic acid threads, or PLLA, are good for producing volume in areas that gradually lose fat as we age. When volume is restored, you will notice even more of a lifting effect in the treated area. As the body starts to break down the PLLA thread, it creates collagen, the protein that plumps, smooths wrinkles, and fills fine lines. You will notice an increase in collagen and elastin in 4 weeks with full effects seen after 3 to 4 months of your treatment and will last 12 to 18 months.